Hello lovely people, in this video I'll be showing you how to make PayPal money with your phone from anywhere in the world. The app that I'll be showing you is Featurepoints, and the beauty about this app is that it works with both devices, whether it is an Android device or if you are using an iPhone. You'll be able to make money from the comfort of your home or anywhere in the world. And it's quite easy to sign up, as all you'll have to do is enter your email address right here if you want to sign up on the website, or you could simply download the app and then sign up. And as you can see right here, they have paid out over $5 million thus far, and they have been in business since 2012. So that is to show you that this is definitely a reputable app and they have been around for a very long while. And as you can see right here, if I should scroll down, you'll be able to earn points which you can turn into PayPal money by simply completing surveys. And the beauty about this app is that they have a lot of surveys available, meaning there's a lot of potential for you to earn a lot of money. And the other thing about it is you can earn cash back. So if you like to shop online, and by the way, who doesn't like to shop online? Well, if you like to shop at Walmart or Macy's or Gap, you'll be able to earn cash back by using this app. So not only can you earn money by doing surveys, but you can also earn money while spending money. You'll be able to get back some cash. And with this app, you can also download other apps and play games and make money, as you can see right here. There are numerous ways to make money when it comes to Featurepoints, but the only thing about this app is when it comes to apps, don't expect to make life-changing money, but you can definitely make a good amount of money with feature apps. But to maximize your earnings when it comes to apps like these, there's normally a referral program. And as you can see right here, once you sign up, you'll get your referral link. And if you should share your link with friends or family, you'll be able to get 50% of everything that your friends earn. So every point that your friends earn, you'll be able to get 50% for life, which is very good. So to maximize your earnings, I would recommend that you refer people and you'll be able to earn even more. And in case you don't want to claim PayPal money, you can also claim Amazon gift card, or you could claim Xbox gift card, as you can see right here. There are numerous ways on how you can redeem your points. If you are also a fan of crypto, you could claim Bitcoin, and there are many other ways on how you can get paid, as you can see right here. Choose from a huge range of rewards, and you can see that they have a very high ranking. So if you like to play games or you like to use your mobile device, why not download Featurepoints, and in your spare time you can earn a bit of cash.